If you're looking to view the different programs that we offer at the graduate level here at Montclair State, I would highly recommend checking out our program finder. To do this, you would simply visit our homepage, montclair.edu/graduate, which will take you to the page you're looking at right now. You'll then click on Menu, and from there you'll click on Programs of Study. The Programs of Study page takes you directly to our program finder. The program finder lists out all of the different graduate programs that we offer. A really nice feature of the program finder is that you can filter by many different areas by using the left side of the screen. For example, if you know you're interested in a certain area of study, such as the computer field, you can type in computer and it'll show you all the different programs that we offer that pertain to that field. If you see a program that happens to interest you, you can click on the link to the program and it brings you to a page specifically about that program of study with a description and different drop downs such as admissions requirements for the program, an application checklist, which includes items you would need to submit for admission to the program, a link to the curriculum, and also contact information for us in the graduate school, as well as for the graduate program coordinator of that specific program of study. Other really nice features of the program finder is that you can filter by different areas. For example, if you know you're interested specifically in an online program, you can select that option on the left, and then it'll show you all the programs that are offered in an online capacity. You also have the option to filter by a specific college or school. So if you know that you're interested in a program within the College of Education and Human Services, you can use that filter, and it'll show you all the different programs that we offer within that specific college. Hopefully you'll find our program finder to be helpful as you consider graduate education at Montclair State.